What is the ratio in which the point 1, 12 divides the line segment joining the points 5, 6 and 7, 3? So let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll start with a point A. Let's say the coordinate of this particular point is 5, 6. And then we have another point B. So B has the coordinates 7, 3. Well, now we're going to join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. Now AB is a straight line. We'll suppose that there is another point C, and C has the coordinates 1, 12. Now here it's not mentioned to us either is it dividing the line segment AB internally or externally. So to begin with, what we'll do, we'll start with an assumption that C is dividing AB internally, and let's say it's dividing it into ratio k:1. So what we'll do, we'll have to apply the internal section formula. So here the coordinate of C, which is already given as 1, 12, but we know that we can apply the section formula to define each of the x and y coordinate. So let's start with the x coordinate. All we have to do is take k and multiply with b, and then we'll have to take 1 and multiply with a. Meaning, to find out the x coordinate, we'll take the x coordinate of b, which is 7, and multiply it with k. Add it to 1 times the x coordinate of a, so that's 5. So we get 7k plus 5 divided by the sum of the ratios. So that's going to be simply k plus 1. Then, to find out the y coordinate, we take k and multiply it with the y coordinate of b, so that's 3k. And then add it to 1 times the y coordinate of a, so that's going to be simply 6, divided by k plus 1. Fine. So what we'll do, we're going to equate. So let's equate the x coordinates. So we have 7k plus 5 divided by k plus 1. This will be equals to 1. So we can either equate the x coordinate or you can equate the y coordinate. Both of them are going to give us the same value for k. So we have 7k plus 5 equals to, cross multiplying k plus 1 with 1, we get k plus 1. So that's going to be equals to, now we get 7k minus k, that's going to be 6k. This will be equals to 1 minus 5, so that's going to be negative 4. So that means we're getting value of k as negative 4 over 6, or we can say k is simply negative 2 over 3. However, we're getting a negative sign here. So negative sign tells us that actually it's not an internal division, it's an external division, meaning point C is dividing A, B in the ratio 2:3, but externally. So we can say that k:1, that's simply 2 over 3, that's the ratio, and it is dividing it externally, not internally. So that means option D is going to be the correct answer.